Join us in March 2019 for the North American Collaboration Summit in Branson, Missouri, where we will celebrate 10 years in the Ozarks. As Learn to Bot is our slogan, we'll deliver a session about the topic of boosting your modern workplace with Microsoft's AI stack, where we will show you how to use chatbots and cognitive services within Office 365 in a meaningful way. We will also talk about real-world scenarios for combining AI services with your modern workplace tools.
Additionally, we are already looking forward to our workshop with our friends Albert, Jan and Rick on all things Office 365 combined with AI. If you want to learn all about planning, building, deploying your first intelligent bot with Microsoft 365 services like Teams and SharePoint Online, then this is a day you shouldn't miss. Go to collabsummit.org today and see you in Branson.